hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion.
Simultaneously going to the bathroom. Yeah, how'd that happen? I feel like she hasn't grown that much.
Hold on.
Hi, Sissy.
Please don't eat your brother's food, please, because I have to go to the bathroom.
Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday. I thought it would be a good day to do a little Sunday refresh vlog, or like a reset vlog. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna do some laundry, tidy up the house, sip on some coffee, edit some videos. I have quite a few videos I need to edit and get up, so we're gonna work on that. And I figured I would bring you guys along for the ride. So here we are. Let's get into it and start on this mound of laundry. It's actually not too bad. It just looked like a lot when I was washing it, but it's not actually that bad. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, you guys, it is time for some lunch. I'm going to make a BLT on a bagel. And Reed is going to have a bagel with cream cheese.
A bagel with...
Oh, a bagel with bacon
and
and
eggs.
eggs. He's gonna make a breakfast sandwich. So, let's go.
Got.
Me too, girl, me too. Okay, you guys, it's time to finally get dressed. Oh my god, this room. So I've been staying in the guest room still because of my surgery. It's just, oh, there's something on my lens. I don't know what it is. I don't think you can see it on the camera. Because it's just easier for me to get in and out of the bed. I'll probably move back into the bedroom though soon once I'm cleared. After my first like checkup on Monday. So make sure everything's healing okay for my last surgery. But This is also where I'm storing all of the Christmas gifts. So there's like actually I'm probably not going to show you the clip I just said to look at because that's my mom's Christmas gift and she watches all my videos. So just kidding. But let me just, that's craziness. I hid my mom's gift that time, so there we go. And it's just overwhelming me. But we're gonna get dressed. I'm not bothering with this room today because I can't. I can't. So I'm thinking on one of my Vlogmas vlogs, I'm going to wrap all of the Christmas gifts. So that'll be that. And then it'll all be out of the way and have no worries in the world. But we're gonna get dressed into something cozy and comfy. It's a little chilly here today. And then we're gonna fold that laundry that I keep talking about, that I keep procrastinating because I don't want to. And yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. I have no idea what I'm gonna wear because I put on something, like right now I slept in a sweatshirt and sweatpants, but I woke up in the middle of the night like having the worst night sweats and hot flashes, so that's kind of my thing. Willie's barking. What is it, buddy? There's nothing here. There's nothing. It's okay. I don't know what I was saying. Oh, so it's really hard for me to dress like cozy because it's chilly out, but I get hot flashes and I'm like dying. So I don't know. We'll find something to wear and figure it out. I think we found a winner. This is that set from Amazon. If you guys didn't see, I think I just did a little TikTok on it and a reel of things I ordered off of Amazon. This set is so good. I will link it down below for you guys. It's a 3-piece set, so it has this long, like, I guess duster sweater type thing. And then these lounge pants, they are kind of a wide leg, and then the cropped tank top. It is so good. It comes in so many colors. I want literally every color possible. It's obsessed. Actually, I should go see if it's on sale for Black Friday right now. But so this is what we're gonna wear today. Don't mind the messy unmade bed. Okay, you guys, here is the outfit. Ignore the messy room in here too. But it is so, so good. I'm obsessed with it. You need it in your life. Cracking me up. You guys, I have so many videos to edit that I literally have 5, I think. Maybe more, but at least 5 that I found. I don't know why I do this to myself. Are you guys ready to go for a walk? You ready? Yeah? All right. Hello, you guys. That was weird. I don't know what my phone just did. It's also, if you didn't notice, we're back on my phone. My memory card on my camera is full, so I tried to import all the footage and it's not working. I don't know. I've been battling with this. It's like 8 o'clock. It's 8:30. It's 8:30 at night. I've been battling with this since probably 4-ish. Yeah, I don't know. And then all of a sudden my computer wasn't working. Like, it crashes every time I open iMovie. So I did fold laundry, and then there's some on the drying rack there that needs to be put away when it dries. But I did do my laundry. I just didn't take you guys with me like I wanted to, so I apologize. I think last we left off, we were on a walk, and I took that walk so that I would calm down a little bit. It didn't work. So I am now literally deleting every last thing off my computer. It needs an update, and I don't know if that's why it's not cooperating, and I don't even know what to do about my vlog camera. I'm gonna figure that out later, but for now, I'm just taking everything off my computer, update it. Hopefully I can finish editing the one video I was almost done, and then iMovie crashed and then I couldn't find it. So, yay. So I'm gonna end off the vlog for today here because I know that I'm not gonna be able to show you guys much else. I'm having a hot flash. Much else of anything. I just made myself a peppermint mocha at home because I'm not going to bed until I figure this out. That's like the kind of person I am. I get really, really frustrated when things don't go according to plan. So I'm gonna figure it out so I don't have this issue again, because in a few weeks I will be going hopefully north to see my family, and I would rather know what I'm doing while I'm trying to work up there than not know what I'm doing and get frustrated while I'm up there. So in Vlogmas is coming, so I need to figure this crap out. This vlog is Vlogmas, but like Vlogmas is coming, you know? So I'm gonna go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys had a fabulous time watching, and this story gave you a little bit of fun. And if Willow's about to fall off the couch, okay. And if you're a fellow YouTuber, rest assured, well, hopefully I'm not the only one. Rest assured that you are not the only one that this happens to. I'm gonna rest assured knowing it's not just me either, even though it could be. So I'm gonna go drink my peppermint mocha, get my second wind, get hopefully 2 videos edited after I figure this crap out, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching, hanging out with me, laughing at my life with me. I will see you guys soon. Bye.